So it's not the most pretty day for Nvidia stock today, guys. We're down almost 3% on the day. The entire stock market's down, so everything's in the red pretty much. Obviously, there's stocks that are in the green, but the indexes are down in the U.S. Nvidia's down. A lot of tech stocks are getting hit. And guys, we have to break down some news, what's going on, the charts, and what I'm looking to do, as I did make some moves today, guys. So hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and snag up your free stocks from Moomoo. Check out that link down below. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You'll get 5 free stocks, and fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, if you want some free money and you want to help out the channel, since that is an affiliate link, check out the Moomoo link down below or go to starsurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I appreciate you guys for tuning in as always. Let's get into it. So Nvidia, like I said, it's down almost 3% on the day, 2.8% to be exact, and we're at $138.50 per share. After we got some news we'll cover here in a second, which obviously is sending down the stock, which the stock has been selling off for a couple of days here. Nothing crazy. I mean, we sold off a little bit on Friday. You guys can see right here we sold off a little bit from around, let's see, 145 at open down to about 142 at close. And obviously today we got down under the lows from Friday, and we hit around 137 earlier in the day. And on the 20-day chart, you guys can see Nvidia, man, not just in the last day or two it's been selling off, but overall in the last couple of weeks, we've been selling off. On the 1-hour chart, you guys see that we're under both moving averages. Here on the 4-hour chart, if I zoom in, specifically on the price action from the last month, you guys can see here, if I get the channel tool, we're still very much in this downtrending channel, right? You guys see it right here. Lower lows, lower highs are being made, and my alerts at 146, which obviously we didn't break out of. We got rejected right at that point, and that point is right at the top of this channel. I was hoping, well, not necessarily hoping, but I was watching it. I was like, all right, let's see if Nvidia could get out of here, break the channel, maybe start going on a rally to wrap the year up. But we got rejected, man, and here we are, down $8 from that point, or about 5.5% from where we got rejected. So Nvidia, guys, very much still in this little downwards channel, and I bought some. I bought some today, guys, a little bit, nothing crazy, I think, right in the mid-138s, actually right where we are now, I feel like I bought, but a couple hours ago, earlier in the day. Either way, I bought on the dip here. I forget the exact price, whatever. I added more to my position here, guys, and I'm looking to obviously add more if it continues to slip down here, and I'm holding on to these shares long term. This is not a swing trade. You could swing trade it if you want, do whatever you want, but for me, guys, I'm adding to my long term position. So let's go over the news. And by the way, guys, sign up to the email list linked down below. I'm sending my top 3 stocks every Monday to you guys right to your email. I actually just sent an email out today to over 1,700 people. So guys, make sure you get on the email list. So Nvidia stock slides as China opens antitrust probe against AI chip heavyweight. You heard that right, guys. Let's dig into this right now, guys. So Nvidia stock slipped more than 3% on Monday, which we just saw the charts after China opened an antitrust investigation into the chip giant amid escalating tensions between Beijing and Washington after AI dominance. And the probe is aimed at Nvidia's practices regarding possible anti-monopoly violations. It is also set to examine its 2020 acquisition of Mellanox, a purchase that was approved by China's state administration for market regulation under the condition that the chip maker avoid discriminating against Chinese companies, which, maybe we'll talk more about that in another video. That was about 4 years ago. We'll see. But according to a Chinese media report, the government believes Nvidia's $7 billion purchase of the Israeli computer networking equipment maker may have violated Beijing's anti-monopoly rules. In a statement released on Monday morning, an Nvidia spokesperson wrote, quote, "We work hard to provide the best products we can in every region and honor our commitments everywhere we do business. We're happy to answer any questions regulators may have about our business." So it seems like, guys, China, they're coming hard on Nvidia, man. They're dropping the hammer. I mean, wasn't China saying a couple weeks ago they're urging companies there to use, chip makers that are actually from China, right? They're trying to get, their people to buy the chips elsewhere, other than Nvidia. And there's a lot of back and forth, right, between the U.S. and China, this, that, the trade war, tariffs, blah, 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 you know what I mean? So there's a lot going on. This is another, wrench being thrown in here as China continues to struggle to keep up with the most leading-edge AI chips. You guys can see here, they probably want to do what they can to slow U.S. firms down. Exactly. I mean, it's pretty obvious what they're doing right here, guys. The Chinese probe against the most important U.S. chip maker also comes ahead of Donald Trump's return to the White House next month. So they're getting ahead of it pretty much, right? They know when Trump comes in, he's going to increase tariffs. Here it is. Yeah, Trump has threatened increased tariffs as part of his policy. So, yeah, guys, China, they're getting ahead of it. We can see right here, the CEO of financial advisory firm DeVere Group said, this isn't just a regulatory issue, it's a calculated geopolitical maneuver. No doubt, I agree. China is sending a strong message that it won't hesitate to push back, and Nvidia's targeting is a harbinger of more aggressive measures to come. So, guys, I'm buying up the weakness here in Nvidia stock. The uncertainty in the stock, I think, is a buying opportunity. For me, at least, we'll see what happens between Trump, China, the tariffs, the this, the that. Personally, guys, I don't base my investments off of things like that. You might do that. By all means, go ahead and do it. You can do whatever you want. That's on you. But for me, when I see a good company that's growing at a solid valuation, I try and block out all the noise. I take it into account, obviously. I'm not oblivious to certain things, but I try and really focus on the actual business, the numbers, what's going on there, and try my best not to let outside forces influence my decision making, right? So what do you guys think? Overall, that is the news. That's what's going on the charts here. What I did, again, I bought more earlier today, and we'll see. We'll do more updates here on YouTube, guys, so make sure to subscribe. We'll do more updates here on Nvidia. Hit the like button and check out my Patreon if you guys want to be a part of the Discord chat, see what I'm doing throughout the week. I update my portfolio every single week there. You guys see everything going on in the portfolio. That's linked down below. And do not forget, guys, to get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below and fund it with at least $100. You'll get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You'll get 10 more free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now, guys, will earn up to 8.1% APY. So use that link in the description box or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.